On Wall Street, investor sentiment is split on the sustainability of the market rally following a strong performance in the first half of the year. The S&P 500 index surged over 14%, with the Dow up by 0.4%, and the Nasdaq, driven by tech stocks, climbing over 0.8%. This Reuters report gets you a lowdown on all the action on Wall Street.
Wall Street's main indexes closed higher on Tuesday, boosted by gains in Tesla and mega-cap growth stocks. The Dow rose 0.4%, the S&P 500 added 0.6%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq gained more than 0.8%. A survey from the Labor Department showed job openings increased in May, but April's were revised to show the fewest job openings in 3 years. Meanwhile, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell told a panel at a European Central Bank forum that recent economic data showed significant progress on inflation, but that more evidence was needed before the Fed could start cutting rates. That contrasts with the decisions of other central banks, notes Liz Miller, president of Summit Place Financial Advisors.
The last mile of inflation historically has always been sticky, bumpy. Choose your word. It's not a straight line. And when you look at the inflation arc all over the world, every developed country has followed the exact same arc up and down that we have. There's nothing that unique about our situation. It's just that other central bankers have decided to prioritize in their country, growth over price stability, and they're starting to lower rates. We are not making that our priority.
Notable stock moves included Tesla, which surged to its highest level since the start of January after the EV maker reported a smaller than expected drop in vehicle deliveries in the second quarter. Mega-cap stocks such as Apple rose more than 1.5%, while Amazon and Alphabet also climbed. AI chip leader NVIDIA dropped more than 1%, with the trend in other chip stocks largely mixed. NVIDIA is up more than 147% year to date. And shares of Paramount Global climbed more than 5.5% after news that billionaire Barry Diller's digital media conglomerate IAC was exploring a bid to take control of the media giant.